Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Axiom Force in Crimson Desert. All right, let's begin. First, on PC, you can activate Axiom Force using the Tab key. Press and hold the Tab key to engage the ability. While holding it, aim at an object you want to interact with. Once you release the key, the Axiom Force will grab the targeted object. You can then move or pull the object towards you, depending on your positioning. This mechanic is useful for interacting with the environment, solving puzzles, or repositioning items during gameplay. To cancel the ability, simply press the E key. Now on controller, the process is slightly different. To activate Axiom Force, press and hold the left joystick button. Once held, aim at the object you want to grab, then release to pull or manipulate it. You can move objects around or bring them closer using this ability. It works similarly to PC, but uses the joystick instead of keyboard input. So that's basically how you can use Axiom Force in Crimson Desert. That's it for this video. Thanks.